In order to explain how lookup types works in TypeScript, let's use spyOn function of Jest in order to explain it. So spyOn is a function that takes two parameters. The first one is an object. Let's type it as object. And the second one is the string of a property of that object. Let's type it as a string. We don't care about the implementation of it, so let's just console log it. Now let's implement an interface of a person with a name and an age. And let's create a person. Okay, we are gonna name it like John. And it's gonna be 22 years old. At this point, we can use this function, but it doesn't prevent us from doing it wrong. Like, let's say, use the address property. TypeScript doesn't know about this right now. What we can do is use a lookup type to make this better. So let's first make this spyOn take a generic type. So let's say O extends object. And let's use that generic type. So here we're saying the first parameter is an object that I pass. Now we must create the lookup type. And to do so, we have to use the keyOf operator. So with this, we are saying, okay, TypeScript, P is going to be one of the properties of the object O. And as we see here, now it's complaining that address is not one of the properties of person. What if we use name? Okay, this is working as expected. You may be wondering how this works. To show that, let's create a type, person types, where we use the keyOf operator in persons. And let's see what person types is. So what keyOf is doing is creating a union type of strings of the properties of that object.